Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ghassan here. Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're diving into the world of advanced military technology, specifically combat drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are rapidly changing the landscape of modern warfare. We'll be exploring the top 5 combat drones that are currently dominating the skies today. From their incredible capabilities to their impact on the battlefield, we're covering it all. So, buckle up and let's get right into it, folks. First up, we have the MQ-9 Reaper, a true veteran in the drone game. This drone has been a cornerstone of modern aerial warfare. This beast has been a mainstay in the US Air Force's arsenal for years. And when I say beast, I mean it. Its capabilities are unmatched in many aspects. The Reaper boasts an impressive 66-foot wingspan. This large wingspan allows it to stay airborne for extended periods, providing continuous support. That's longer than some commercial airliners. This size gives it stability and endurance, crucial for long missions. But what makes the Reaper truly stand out is its firepower. It's not just about size, it's about what it can carry. It can carry a deadly payload of Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, making it a formidable opponent in any combat scenario, making it a force to be reckoned with. Its precision in targeting ensures minimal collateral damage, a crucial factor in modern warfare. But the Reaper is more than just a flying bomb truck. Its versatility extends beyond just offensive capabilities. It also excels in surveillance and reconnaissance. These roles are vital for gathering intelligence and ensuring mission success. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, the Reaper can monitor vast areas with high precision. It can provide real-time intelligence day or night to commanders on the ground. This real-time data is invaluable for making quick, informed decisions. The Reaper has seen extensive action in various conflicts, from the Middle East to other global hotspots, proving its effectiveness time and again. Its track record speaks volumes about its reliability and efficiency. From targeted strikes to persistent surveillance, the Reaper has shown it can handle multiple roles with ease. It's a true workhorse in the sky. Whether it's providing support to ground troops or taking out high-value targets, the MQ-9 Reaper is an indispensable asset. Next, we have the Bayraktar TB2, a drone that has taken the world by storm. This unmanned aerial vehicle has become a symbol of modern warfare, showcasing the power of technology in the battlefield. Developed by Turkey, the TB2 has gained a reputation for its affordability and effectiveness. Unlike many other military drones, the TB2 offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance, making it accessible to a wider range of countries. Don't let the price tag fool you, though. Despite its lower cost, the TB2 is packed with advanced features and capabilities that rival more expensive counterparts. This drone packs a punch. Equipped with state-of-the-art weaponry, it can carry out precision strikes with remarkable accuracy. Armed with laser-guided smart bombs, the TB2 has proven its mettle in recent conflicts. Its ability to deliver pinpoint strikes has made it a formidable asset on the battlefield. Its relatively small size and quiet operation make it difficult to detect, giving it a tactical advantage. This stealth capability allows it to operate in hostile environments with minimal risk of being intercepted. But what truly sets the TB2 apart is its impact on modern warfare. It has redefined the dynamics of conflict, enabling new strategies and tactics that were previously unimaginable. Its success has highlighted the changing nature of conflict, where even smaller nations can wield significant military power. The TB2 has leveled the playing field, allowing countries with limited resources to defend their interests effectively. The TB2's story is far from over, and it will be fascinating to see how its role evolves in the years to come. As technology continues to advance, the TB2 will likely see upgrades and new capabilities, further cementing its place as a game changer in military history. Now let's talk about the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a drone that takes surveillance to a whole new level. This isn't just any drone, it's a marvel of modern engineering and technology, designed to operate at altitudes where commercial airliners fly. This massive aircraft is designed for high-altitude, long-endurance missions, and it's built for one purpose: to gather intelligence. With a wingspan comparable to a Boeing 737, the Global Hawk is a giant in the sky, capable of carrying a suite of advanced sensors. The Global Hawk can stay airborne for over 30 hours, covering thousands of miles. Imagine a single flight that can span continents, providing continuous surveillance over vast areas without the need for frequent landings. That's like flying from New York to Los Angeles and back without refueling. This capability allows it to monitor critical regions and gather data over extended periods, making it an invaluable asset for intelligence operations. Equipped with sophisticated radar and electro-optical sensors, the Global Hawk can see through clouds and even at night. These sensors are so advanced that they can provide high-resolution imagery and detect minute details from high altitudes. It can detect and track moving targets, providing critical information to military commanders. Whether it's monitoring troop movements or tracking vehicles, the Global Hawk ensures that no detail goes unnoticed. The Global Hawk's strategic importance cannot be overstated. Its ability to deliver real-time intelligence allows for quick decision-making and strategic planning, which is crucial in modern warfare. It's a game-changer in terms of situational awareness, giving militaries a decisive edge in the information age. The data it provides can be the difference between success and failure in critical missions, making the RQ-4 Global Hawk an indispensable tool in the arsenal of modern defense. Moving on, we have the Winglong 2, a Chinese-made drone known for its versatility. This drone is like the Swiss Army knife of combat aircraft. It can perform a wide range of missions, from surveillance and reconnaissance to strike and electronic warfare. The Winglong 2 can carry a variety of weapons, including air-to-surface missiles and guided bombs. It's also equipped with advanced sensors for target acquisition and tracking. What's impressive is its ability to operate in challenging environments, from high altitudes to hot and humid conditions. The Winglong 2 has been exported to several countries, showcasing its appeal as a capable and cost-effective military asset. Last but not least, we have the Heron TP, an Israeli-made drone that represents the cutting edge of unmanned technology. This drone is a technological marvel, boasting advanced features that push the boundaries of what's possible. The Heron TP is designed for long-range, persistent surveillance and strike missions. It can stay airborne for over 30 hours, covering vast distances. It's equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, including synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical cameras, providing unparalleled situational awareness. The Heron TP can also carry a significant payload of weapons, making it a potent force multiplier. Its advanced capabilities and proven track record make it a highly sought-after asset in the world of modern warfare. That wraps up our look at the top 5 combat drones dominating the skies in 2024. As you can see, these unmanned aircraft are rapidly changing the face of warfare. From their advanced capabilities to their strategic impact, combat drones are here to stay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge technology. Let us know in the comments which combat drone you think is the most impressive. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.